It's our parents. It is the ARMY's parents. It is Jin and Namjoon. These are our parents. They like gave birth to all ARMY. What's poppin', y'all? Okay, so I'm so excited because I have to do new videos. I am gonna make two of them. I'm gonna make a reaction video to TikTok fails or like funny TikToks or whatever. It's like the new Musically. I'm just now, wow. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm getting a little sick, but like, bear with me. And I'm gonna do, which is this first video, I'm gonna do a reaction to Airplane Part 2 by BTS, the Japanese version. I already heard the Korean version. Oh, by the way, if y'all didn't know, I'm into K-pop. I love K-pop so much. Yeah, go ahead and make fun of me. I already know, blah, blah, blah. But still, I love it. BTS, it's my babies. I don't know if y'all can see that well. Hold on. BTS, and then I got Big Bang over here. I got two posters of Big Bang. They should be like right above Jimin. And then Shiny, and then another BTS. I got I was gonna say Jackson 5. It's not Jackson 5. I'm thinking of Jackson 1 from GOT7, but I got GOT7. They're pretty great. But like majority of my wall is filled with BTS or Kim Taehyung, only because I'm sorry if y'all hear my siblings, but only because I got this one BTS package thing that I thought was all BTS, but it wasn't. It was all, V from BTS, Kim Taehyung, and I love it. So he's just like dominating my wall right now. Jimin, my bias. I mean, you can't really have a bias if you like them all. Anyway, we're gonna go on with this video because I'm super excited. I haven't seen it yet. Let's get to it. Okay, I gotta turn it up. Hold on. Hold on. Oh my god, he's so perfect. Look at how cute he is. Oh my god. Kim Taehyung in them glasses, y'all. V looks so good in glasses. I don't care what anybody says. Ah! It's our parents. It is the ARMY's parents. It is Jin and Namjoon. These are our parents. They like gave birth to all ARMY. Get it. Get it. Hey. Oh, they're so great. Oh my god. Okay, first of all, I love their outfits. Like, they look so comfortable. They look so comfortable, and it makes me sad. Well, I'm comfortable too. What's up? It makes me so sad because they look so good while looking so comfortable, and then I look like, and I just woke up. That's only because I just woke up, and I feel like they probably look like angels when they wake up. J-Hope! Oh my god! Y'all, this is our sunshine. Oh, Kim Taehyung. There's a bunch of Kims in there. I think there's like 3. Yes. Hobie looks so good. It's Suga, finally. Oh my god, this is my man's. love this. Ah, wet hair Jin. Yes. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Wet hair Jungkook. Y'all, I am standing so hard right now, I'm gonna fall. Oh my god. Yo, who does Big Hit think they are? Sending out 7, what my cousin says, anointed. 7 walking freaking heart attacks. How dare they? Oh my god, I love it so much. I love them so Oh, thank you guys for listening to me fangirl. That was so ugly. I'm sorry, but thanks so much for watching me watch them, because these are my men's, these are my babies. I love them so much. I want to do more reaction videos on different I guess artists and everything. I do want to do if you don't know Blackpink, that's like my stan girl group. I love them so much. I'm super obsessed with Blackpink. I'm gonna do a reaction video to Blackpink's Jinny's her solo that's coming out, her single, you know, it's called Solo, you know. Super excited for that. I'm also really excited because a newer rapper, I don't know if you guys know who he is, but his name is A.R.M.Y, and I'm obsessed with him. I love his music so much. One of my favorite songs by him is Color Me Bad, so look him up, A.R.M.Y. He's pretty great. He's coming out with a new song. It's called Off the Porch, and I'm so excited to hear it. I'm gonna do a reaction video to that, to A.R.M.Y's new song that's coming out, and to Jinny's new song that's coming out from Blackpink, and I'm so excited. But thank you guys so much for thank you guys so much for listening to me be a dork and fangirl over things that I love. You know, like, comment, and subscribe. I was gonna say, and I will see ya, but you know, that's not mine. You know, it's Megan Bowen. She's pretty great. That's another YouTuber that I'm like super obsessed with. But yeah, a peace out.